And in this walk of love, things are going to shake you and hurt you and amaze you, but you just have to keep moving. Because you'll have some folks will come and say, I'll never leave you nor forsake you. Oh, may I have your back. And sometimes them are the first person for stabbing on your back. But what do? You keep walking. You know why? Because now you have to follow now. This is where 1 Corinthians 13 have to matter to you now. Love, you have to love them. And even when they must stab you and chat you, watch this now. You go to God and you roll it on God. And sometimes it hurt you, but you just keep going. Listen why? You're not fool, you know. You're not fool. One day. David said, I've never seen the righteous forsaken or a seed begging bread. One day they will meet their Waterloo. It's not going to be like that every day. It may look so initially. But one day, how can you be unkind to somebody who helped you? How that thought comes to you? I mean, don't you remember? How can you be so foolish to think that somebody take your beard, you, dress you, help you, lift you up, and make you look like somebody, and then now, regardless of what them do, understand how life is. Regardless of what you think or whatever disagreement, that give you right for disrespect? No, you must have lost a screw in your head. Learn this. Folks who lift you up in life. You have a song. Don't burn your bridges. True. Because life is like this. You say, today for me, tomorrow, understand this. Seeds you sow, you're going to reap. And what you do, some people, somebody going to do you worse. That's how life goes. And that's why it pays to do well. One of the things I learned is, listen, it's the people who was nice to me over the years, I never disrespect them. Never. You know why? Because me remember, these things build a part of your life, process. That person was there for me. That person that did help me pay my rent. That person that used to give me food. That person that used to, and regardless of if we ever disagree, me I go disrespect them. No, me can't do that. Me can't, because me always remember. Them did beat me when me couldn't beat myself. Me never have no soap on them, give me soap. Me used to use Aki skin. Now, me I use soap and them did give me the first soap. And me gonna cost them no? No, man. Because me now have foreign soap. How will I say? No, man. That's not how life goes. Always respect them and bless them. That's the way of God. When you don't understand certain things, you leave it alone. Welcome to love. That's how love is. Your walk is a love walk. Yeah. Those folks, time will deal with them. And time always deal with them. So they may seem like them riding high. It's for a while. But one day, everything going to tumble along like old house. And you know what them are going to think? As somebody are obvious. Them always are going to think as somebody. They're not even going to be smart enough to think, when me that do to people, I come back for me.